We're just gonna do a little tour and try to see what the thing is worth. I thought you just farted when I came in or something. What's going on over there?
You need to have that redone. It needs to be replaced.
Do you think it needs to be replaced?
Yeah. Maybe it's for there, where the front tops, so that needs to be replaced.
Okay. 20 small little light there.
Right? Things you see, they're just like,
Couldn't get there. Couldn't make it happen.
well, they built it, so why the hell didn't they put the wood in the back?
They did this. They did the flooring after that. I'm sure. Yeah, they built this big closet here. I think this. It's kind of interesting. Look at this thing. You can follow it over. So that's they just added a bedroom right here
Yeah.
where there didn't used to be one. I mean, this isn't bad. It's just like interesting to see that what they did to add the extra bedroom. You know.
have a foyer, come in, you know, put your stuff up here, put your bags down.
Yeah. Because if this, otherwise this would have just been one big room here, and it wouldn't have been as useful.
Yes.
A lot of doors.
That's it, good size closet. I'll take five in here. It does. Doesn't it? Smell like sewer, like the sewer, maybe that does.
Let's see. No lights down here either.
I have like.
Hello, realtors. Careful there on the bottom step, Molly. Really high ceilings down here. Wow. This water heater looks pretty bad. You need any toys?
There is a guy up on the second hand.
Oh, maybe some of this is his stuff. Yeah, there's an old furnace here.
You know, like, why wouldn't you take it out?
I see people do that all the time. They just leave them here because they don't want to have to go dump them. This gap, I can get a. Funny little roofs back there on the of the porches, but the porches look to be in pretty good shape. I clean up this fence line here. Wonder where these back doors go to. Other units, I guess. Bunch of trash down there. Yeah, it seems like it could use a general cleanup. There's trash down in there and stuff.
Yep. One bedroom.
Okay.
The second floor needs a lot of work.
Here.
Yes, both units.
Now we are going from one property to another. What's up? What? Yeah,
Tile roof looks pretty.
yeah, it does. Fascia needs to be painted. So what neighborhood am I in here, Molly?
That's Holly Hills over there. This is.
With the corner of.
It's not St. Louis Hills, it's Holly Hills. It's like at the corner, but this is Crime Wet on this side.
Oh, well, I wonder why this happened. Is that from an animal?
That is from the roof needs to be.
You think that's from the roof? Yeah, look at all that insulation though. It's got like. It's all full of, yeah, like pine needles and poop and. Like. Oh, I need a chair like that.
I know.
You think they'd mind if I took that chair?
You know?
Those are good for the canoe.
If you need anything having to do with dialysis, we've got it.
This is dialysis stuff?
Look at
Oh my gosh. These
Right?
boxes weigh like 50 pounds a piece.
Yes, that's why they weren't moved. Right?
I need some duct tape. Boy, oh boy, I'm such a hoarder. I go to a place like this and I just want to take stuff. Nice big kitchen here.
Good sized kitchen, missing a few cabinets.
Another roof issue there, or ceiling issue, I mean. Missing some cabinet fronts, needs a new stove.
I'm not touching that fridge.
Not touching the fridge. She knows better. Molly Nunez knows better. Oh, there's another roof thing there. Molly Nunez knows better than to open a fridge that's been sitting a while. Why is it cold in here? Is it because, colder back here because of this porch doesn't have any insulation probably. Oh dang, I just bought a new scale. They had one right here. Should have waited. Can I go down to the basement? Hello. Got a big old dryer vent there. Or these old buildings have two separate basements. Looks like they've opened it up and shared the space here. What the heck is this old room? An old work room. This is what a lot of the basements look like. People just throw their crap all over the place. Here we are at 4726 South Grand, right across the street from St. Mary's High School. If your high schooler is looking for a rental property, give me a call. Call Molly. There she is. All right, let's take a tour here. What? Looks like that front roof thing's seen better days. Or maybe it's just the gutter. I guess this building must have just sold. They got survey stakes. You know something's been sold. And I see the one on the other side of this property here, and here. So that building probably just sold. Let's see if Molly can get us in here today. We got some sidewalk problems. Yeah, you just see that car that's beat to hell.
We don't have the key. What are we to do?
Okay. Here we go.
So this had the sewer backup last week.
Oh.
This was my special. So let's open this one. Come on down. You can see what I do when I have it cleaned properly.
Let's see what Molly Nunez does when she's cleaning sewers.
They cleaned it all up.
Wow.
Pretty.
It is pretty. Still smells funky down here, but I guess they probably exposed a bunch of funk when they cleaned it.
I have a couple of filters because these are 25 by 25.
Nice.
If you want to see the pictures before, it's really bad.
I guess a bunch of their crap in there is probably moldy and whatnot.
We took out 3 full truckloads of stuff from the basement. They were stuck here for like probably 20 years.
Yeah, I believe it. Not bad panels. They're not Federal Pacific or Sylvania. Does anyone know the other brands that are bad? Wiring and whatnot. There you go. You're lucky that videos don't have a smell to them, though, everybody.
You are missing out on that.
Okay,
This side was not clean.
This is more like what we were expecting. I don't know if I can see this in my video here, but a bunch of crap everywhere. Oh, look at that filter,
Does it
baby.
drink? Right? You have 2 new ones in the back.
That was a white filter at one point.
Front. At the back. He doesn't park out here anymore because of the speed things in the center. He had
What
his
speed
car,
things?
one of his cars parked out here, and they bumped it. Thank you. Appreciate it.
It's nice and warm in here.
Got some undulating floor.
Undulating, she says. Hey, is that? What is that? Is that a bong slide or a crack pipe right there? They put new floors in here. That was nice. They took the clawfoot off the clawfoot tub.
That's what they did next door too.
Interesting. Nice big kitchen. Galley kitchen, I guess.
Yeah.
Big.
And this side's fine, but that side is like completely like, it's not even connected.
So that thing really did sag back there where we saw the
it's
siding
like not
under
even
the dirt.
connected, like nothing.
Okay.
underneath. And they just redid it 3 years ago. Whoever did it didn't like
Pure it.
cure it.
Yeah, these places could like probably just stay like this for a long time, but it's like it would be really nice to have all new windows and